Riyad As-Salihin, The Gardens of the Righteous, by Imam Nawawi, produced by Respect Graduate School. Chapter 14, Quranic Verses, Perseverance in Good Deeds. Has not the time yet come for those who believe that their hearts should soften with humility and submit to Allah to strive in His cause in the face of Allah's remembrance, the Quran, and what has come down of the truth, the divine teachings? And has not the time yet come that they should not be like those who were given the book before? A long time has passed over them after they received the book, and so their hearts have hardened, and many among them have been transgressors. Surah Al-Hadid, chapter 57, verse 16. Continue to worship your Lord until what is certain, death, comes to you. Surah Al-Hijr, chapter 15, verse 99. Hadith number 89, narrated in Sahih al-Bukhari, Tahajjud 19. Sahih Muslim, Siyam 185. Abdullah ibn Amr ibn al-As, may Allah be pleased with him, said, "The Messenger of Allah, peace and blessings be upon him, said to me, Abdullah, do not be like so-and-so who used to pray at night and then stopped doing it.